Hey guys, welcome back once again to my channel. It's finally summertime for me. I just finished my 4th year in college. I just have one more year to go and I am a real biologist, which is crazy, but I'm so excited to use this summer to update and upgrade my Instagram and YouTube game. So I'm so excited to be back filming. So today I'm going to share with you my summer skincare routine for the year 2019. So as you guys may already know, I use two different kinds of skincare routines. One I use during the morning, and the second one I use, which is more like extensive, is the one that I use before I go to bed. I'm going to start with that one. Basically, I'm just going to show you what I do after I take my makeup off after a long, fun summer day. So let's get started. So the first thing that I use is this Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. This cleanser, I have mixed feelings about it just because it's like a conditioning face wash. I mean, it says it here. I have mixed feelings just because I like my face washes to have foam and produce foam, and this one does not. So I have like a hard time believing and feeling that my face is getting cleaned up. So that's why I have mixed feelings about it, but so far so good. If you don't really care about whether it makes foam or not, this is a good cleanser. So next I use this Amore Pacific Treatment Enzyme Peel Botanical Exfoliator, and this I use after I cleanse my face. And I mentioned this before, but I am absolutely in love with the smell of this exfoliator. It smells absolutely amazing, and this does make foam. So when I use this in combination with this one right here, I feel that my face is absolutely clean. This combination, I am obsessed with it right now, and this is what I've been using for the past couple of months, and it's working. Okay, so for the times that I don't use an exfoliator, I use masks. And this new year, I've tried to establish a skincare routine, and basically it consists of twice a week taking the time to relax and pamper myself and apply a face mask religiously. And I'm so excited to tell you guys that I received a special package from the brand Alia Skin Australia, and I received their Pink Perfect Australian Pink Clay Mask. Alia Skin's products are vegan and cruelty-free, and this Australian Pink Clay Mask detoxifies and brightens your skin, and I think that the packaging is so cute. I'm going to show it to you guys in a second. So this is the little box right here, and it's fun just because in this little box you actually get to see everything that you need to know when using this mask. If you turn it this way, it says the process, and basically what that means is just a set of instructions that you need to do to apply the face mask. Then if we turn it, there's a list of all the ingredients that this mask contain, and then if you turn it again, it says competition, and it says 1, repost a photo of you and your face mask, 2, tag Alia Skin Aus and use hashtag #AliaSkinBabe, and 3, one winner will be chosen each month and will receive a year's worth of Alia Skin for free. So here it is. The packaging is so cute, and I love that this face mask is pink. I've never had an actual pink mask, so when I applied it, I thought that it was so easy to just apply. A little goes a long way, but I always like to stack up my mask on my skin because I just feel that it works better, I guess. So after you spread it across your face, you're supposed to wait 10 minutes, and while I was in those 10 minutes, I felt that my skin was literally breathing again. I don't know if you are familiar with that or feel the same way about it sometimes. It felt so refreshing to just apply that, and while it was getting dried up, I could literally see dots on my face where the mask settled and was taking out all the impurities. It reminded me a lot of the Glam Glow mud mask, And while I was taking the mask off, honestly, it came out this quick. I absolutely love it because sometimes I use masks that I need to actually like rub my face, and that is really bad for like your skin and stuff. But with this one, with one swipe or two swipes, like everything is completely gone. So I also love that about this mask. So I'm gonna talk about like the actual like differences that I saw when I was using the face mask, well, like comparing it to like before I used it and after. And before I used it, I felt like my skin was like super clogged. I had like clogged pores, I have like big red pimples like on my face, and I know those things are not gonna disappear like if you use a mask for the first time and that's it. Now I'm going to show you like the video clip of after I use the face mask, and as you can see, my face looks like it literally has a filter on. It definitely like brightens up my skin to a whole nother level. Like there's no other way to describe it than just having a filter on. And as you can also see, all the 3 pimples that I had that were like really red and like dark around the actual pimple, it is literally gone, and it's like so smooth. It is like so bright. It's not really that red as it was before, so that's amazing. So Aya Skin is like super amazing, and they hooked you guys up, guys. They hooked you guys up with a 15% off discount code that you could use anywhere in their site, but it is just my name, Fabiola Suárez. So I will leave their website linked in the description box, and I will also leave you guys the discount code over there. So thank you so much, Aya Skin, for sending this little gem. I will definitely treasure it and use it 100%. So back to the skincare routine. I use this L'Oreal Paris Pure Sugar Scrub, and I use it on my lips specifically. As you can see, my lips are like really chapped, and I just think it's because I take like the little skin off sometimes, and it's because I got over finals literally yesterday. So while I was studying, I was like really stressed, and I just started like picking my lips, which is super bad for them, and that's why they're so red and patchy. So the next thing that I use is this Boscia Pore Purifying Black Strips for your nose. I find it so satisfying when I take it off, and I literally put like the little pore strip on my hand and like hold it up like this, and I can see like all the little hairs and all the little impurities like on the pore strip, and I just feel so accomplished when that happens. So after I do all those things to my face, I go with my Boscia Balancing Facial Tonic, and it also prepares my complexion for like all the other products that I'm going to apply after that I'm actually gonna leave on my face. So I think this is perfect for that. So after I apply that tonic, I use this Believe the True Cream Aqua Bomb, and I've been using this. I think this is like my 3rd purchase, and I don't think I'm ever going to change it. My skin is like really oily, and after I use this, it doesn't feel oily at all. It actually feels so good and so refreshing. So I absolutely love this one. So lately I've been implementing some eye creams to my skincare regimen. So I use this Lancome Multi-Action Eye Cream. Many people stress the importance of eye creams, and I think that it is because of a reason, so I just do it. So I basically just like apply the eye cream underneath my eyes, and I also apply it on my lid and below my eyebrows, just the whole eye area in general. And the last thing that I do in my nighttime skincare routine is apply this Mario Badescu buffering lotion. It is specially formulated for oily, troubled skin, and it is an overnight buffering lotion that helps clear painful under the skin blemishes while preventing further breakouts. I basically just take a little bit of this and just apply it directly onto the blemish, and it leaves this white cast on, but I don't really mind it since I use it during the night and when I wake up it is not there. Okay guys, so now let's dive into what I do after I wake up, and basically I just go with the same Glossier milk jelly cleanser, and I think that this is absolutely the perfect cleanser to use in the morning just because it is not that rough on your skin. It doesn't feel like that at all. It is just like so moisturizing, so I love using this in the mornings without applying any exfoliator after it like I do during the nighttime. So after I apply that cleanser, I use this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea, and I've loved this for such a long time. It refreshes my skin, it refreshes my makeup. So for the day's moisturizers, I use 3 different ones, to be honest. Lately I've been noticing the importance of using sunscreen, especially during summer. So for sunscreen, I use the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 moisturizer and serum duo with sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 15, and I'm also using this Lancome sunscreen broad spectrum SPF 15. So I use this before I apply my makeup, and then I go over with this Hydra Genius oily skin moisturizer. It contains a whole bunch of product. Like, I use this every single day and it is still up here. So one thing that I like a bit about this moisturizer is that it is like so lightweight on your skin. The one that I use in the night is more like deep and just like more heavy on the skin, but this one I use after I apply my sunscreen, and I love it so much just because of that. And the smell, perfect. So guys, that is it for my summer skincare routine. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want, you could go check out my Instagram. I'll leave the little link right here so you guys will know what I'm doing this summer. Like, keep up to date with my pictures, with my stories, and just my day-to-day life. So go check that out. And if you want to see more videos, then I'll leave some of them on the end screens right now. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.